Explain the function of the soldering tool.
Soldering iron.
Soldering is done with a soldering iron, which has a type of metal that gets extremely hot. The function of the heater is to transfer the heat to the desired point. When the said spot is heated enough, the solder wire is placed on it. The tip of the hoe must be clean so that it can conduct the heat well. To clean the tip of the soldering iron, when the tip is hot, you should gently drag the tip on the sponge to remove the old solder from the tip. Of course, this should be done repeatedly during the soldering process.
The soldering iron tip is produced in different models. The tapered tip is the most common model on the market and is used in projects that require a high level of finesse. It can also solder small spots well without damaging other parts. Chisel tip models are also wider and are used for soldering large parts and pipes. When you heat the soldering wire, this action can cause oxide to form on the tip of the soldering iron. As a result, when lead accumulation exceeds a certain limit, it will cause defects in soldering operations and temperature transfer. It is necessary to periodically clean the tip of your soldering iron using a brush or sponge.
To support me, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, press the bell button for notifications, subscribe to my channel for new videos, share my videos, write me a comment. Thank you.